Today's video is brought to you by Oxedo LED lighting. You might think that you can see just fine at night. Well, I did too, until I did this little upgrade. As you can see from this footage, here is some before Oxedo LED lighting, and here is some after Oxedo LED lighting. The difference is amazing. With high brightness and easy installation, Oxedo LED lighting is definitely the route for you. They're easy to install, and they're available for all makes and models. Click on the link in the description below and enter promo code 612motorsports at checkout to get yourself 15% off. Now back to our video. Welcome back, everybody. I hope you all had a great holiday season. It's been a while since I've posted, so I just want to make sure everybody's had a great Thanksgiving, Christmas, New Year's. I hope none of you have gotten the COVID. If you have, damn, and I hope you get over it. So it's been a while since I posted a video, and there's good reason for that. It's winter here in Minnesota, and not having a shop to work in makes things a little bit difficult. There's no need to get frostbite on your fingers trying to do anything spectacular. So winter being the main reason that nothing's really been happening lately, but I can't say that's true either, because a lot's been happening. If you remember from 2 videos ago, I kind of told you that things were going to be changing on the channel, and well, that is absolutely true. We're moving. We're moving locations. We're moving to a warmer climate, and I'm not going to give it away. I just want to save the destination for a surprise. But let's just say we're not going to have to put up with winter and snow anymore. So, I don't know. Could be West Coast, could be East Coast, could be out of the country. Who the hell knows? Well, I know, but you're going to have to find out. The situation is, where we're moving to just has a small garage, and it's not quite big enough to do what my plans are. So I'm guessing about the middle to end of February we're going to be building a second garage slash shop. We're going to have room for the S10s. We're going to have room for hot rods that you haven't seen. So we have the 40 Ford convertible over at the body shop that Brad's working on, but we also have a couple other hot rods sitting around, and we're going to introduce those to the channel here in just a few weeks. So I'm super stoked about that, because winter is just no place for hot rods, and I tell you, where we're going, it's hot rod season all year round. Moved out of my place. Actually, right now I'm running off to Goodwill to drop off some things that I don't need anymore. Some stuff that, well, if somebody else can use it, why the heck not, you know? There's no sense in throwing stuff away if somebody can use it. So that's what we're doing right now. And I'm hoping by the end of the week we're going to have a transport company here to pick up the black truck and get that shipped off to our location. We're going to be driving Stan to our new home, and along the way we're going to be stopping at quite a few places. Places I personally want to see of interest. Not all of them are car related, but I am going to take you with me because, well, why not? It's a journey, and if some of you guys are stuck at home on a quarantine or whatnot, you know, what the heck, if I can get out and show you a few things, might just put a smile on somebody's face, or encourage somebody to get out and do a little traveling themselves, regardless of restrictions or lockdowns or any of that kind of stuff. Alright, so I just did a little shopping. I got to get a few things, and I come out to the parking lot here in that Wally World, and I see another S10 parked next to me. Now, we all know I am the biggest S10 fan in the world, but this particular style, the 4-door, hate them. What's the frickin' purpose? Never understood it. Buy a Blazer. Same thing. I just just don't get it. Not a fan. Let me know what you think below. Alright boys, it's getting real now. I just got a phone call from the transport company. They are here to pick up the Xtreme, so let's go get that over there. I'm a little excited, I'm a little nervous, but this should be interesting nevertheless. Let's just soak in one good last look at it here before she hops on the trailer. Yeah, I haven't really put too many miles on this thing, but I guarantee you this thing will be on the road and 100% legal in about 2 weeks. Howdy.
How you doing?
Good. Sean.
Good. Sean?
Yep.
Nice to meet you. I'm Chris.
Good to meet you.
Chris. So did you sell this or what?
No, I'm moving to.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Nice looking little pickup.
Thank you. I got the 3 of them, and I can't drive them all at one time. So.
Well, you can take 2 of them, huh?
Yeah. Yep.
Let me get my camera. I didn't know what I was looking at, but I'm gonna take some pictures of it.
Okay.
Just to make it real quick, because that north wind sucks.
Yes, it does.
So I'm sure you know your pickup pretty good, but
Yep.
I'll take some pictures of it.
Okay. All right. So before we get her loaded up here, we're gonna take a few pictures of it, do a little walk around, and damage. We know what happened, what was here before, what's here after. Yeah, that little noise, I know, it's the fan hitting the shroud. We're gonna fix that right away.
How much room I got?
A lot. Yeah, you're good.
You got everything in front?
Yep, still good.
Is that gonna come up on another foot?
Yep, you're fine. Plenty of room. There you go. Yep. Couple on the front and it's gone. Oh, it does. Dang. That wind is brutal. Sorry if the video's a little shaky. It's damn cold out here. hold this camera steady, and you're probably gonna throw up from it being so shaky, so I'm heading in.